Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable incognito mode in Google Chrome permanently. Let's begin. So once you've opened up the Run dialog in your Windows icon, you are going to type in rank edit, and then you're going to select OK. So now you need to make sure that you've opened up the H key local machine section, and then you have to go to software. So if you scroll down, you're going to look for something which says policies. So there it is. Now, under policies, you're going to create a new folder. So you're going to right click on policies, then select new, and you're going to select key. And we are going to call it Google. And after creating Google, you are going to right click again, and you're going to select new on the Google folder, and you're going to select key. Now we are going to call this Chrome. Once you're done, you're going to double click on it to make sure that it is open. Then you'll right click, select new, and you're going to select the word 32-bit value. Once you're done, you are going to name it. So you are going to call it Incognito Mode Availability. So you're going to double click on it and you're going to change the value data to 1 and you're going to select OK. So once you're done, you're going to restart your computer. And then once you go into Chrome, you'll notice that the Incognito Mode feature will be completely disabled. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.